So I actually entered the world of microelectronics directly out of college and didn't really know anything about it until I was fully immersed in the industry. I think semiconductors aren't really a focus in most engineering curriculums or technical curriculums. So as fabs all over the world, and especially North America, are expanding their sites and creating new factories, the push for new talent and the requirement for new hires is a huge push in our industry. Microelectronics equipment and processes can be relatively specialized, so it takes time to understand and get used to them. I think the UPM University's curriculum to help provide a baseline of fundamental processes can be really beneficial for not only engineers, but operators and technicians. And it can provide them with that background and that basis that they'll need to understand their job functions and how it fits within the entire microelectronics facility management realm.
The talent gap is a very significant one. It's one of the major constraints in ability of newer generation semiconductor facilities to operate. So I don't know if industry is actually addressing the gap. I think the gap exists and will continue to exist. I don't think universities address the gaps, maybe partially, because the complexity of semiconductor facility is so high that it requires a lot of knowledge and understanding and hands-on. So this very idea of UPM University came out of this realization that there is a serious gap not addressed by anyone, and it requires, again, some sort of collaboration between GWI and the industry experts to be intentional about this issue. And the plan is to develop the program that will help to support the industry in the process of addressing gap.
Labor, it's additional challenges that we see right now in the market. And labor, it's not only the construction labor, it's all the technical labor that when we're building the fab, we in the end need to operate the fab. So we need this labor, we need to make sure that we have training appropriate for these people as well.